Hey guys, it's Natalia, and I haven't been making a lot of YouTube videos. I'm busy and sorry, I'm going to be making weird noises. Hey, Mama. Rah, rah, rah. And that's it.